First, install the drill bit. Rotate the black slider to loosen and tighten the drill bit, and then fix the drill bit. Second, install the main body and base. Insert the column into the hole in the base and then lock it tight. Third tool setting. Place the drilling machine on the marble slab, and then position up and down the drill bit by the handle, so that it is aligned with the point to be drilled. Four, press the sucker button to fix the base of the drilling machine. 5. Put a little water in the area where you need to drill.